Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today we're going to be making a really quick and easy recipe. We're going to be making adobo. And adobo is a Spanish seasoning used for stews, meats, rice. It's used for beans and etc. So they sell it in the store, but it's not really that healthy. So I like to make my own because I know exactly what's in it. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any recipes. I'm going to start off with 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Next, I'm going to be adding in 2 teaspoons of salt. And salt is optional. You don't have to add it to your adobo seasoning mix. If you guys, some of you have problems with hypertension, you can leave this out. And again, this is homemade, so you're going to control the amount of ingredients that you put into your adobo seasoning. Next, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and turmeric is going to give you that slightly golden color that you see in the store. And you want to be really careful with the turmeric because it definitely stains white counters. Next, I'm going to be using oregano. I'm using 3 teaspoons. So that's the first 1, 2, and 3. Next, I'm going to be using garlic powder, and garlic powder is the main ingredient. So I'm going to be using 3 large tablespoons of garlic powder. On the internet, you're going to find many recipes on how to make adobo seasoning. And basically, I try to make it to the T. Basically, I try not to change up anything. I try to not add anything. But again, you can make this your own adobo and season it up the way you want to. I just try to make it as close as I can to the store. Because taste-wise, when I've made several recipes, this has come the closest. Now I'm just mixing everything together, and at this point, if you want to put it in a blender and blend it so it can be finer, you can. And that's the way I like to make mine. I like to put it in a blender, make it really fine, a fine grain, and then I strain it. When you're storing the adobo, you want to put it in a cool place. You don't want to leave it into a hot or a warm, moist place because then it'll start to clump together. This is basically as simple as it gets. It's like, as you can see here, it looks just like the store brand. And if you want to add a little bit more pepper, or if you want to even leave out the pepper, you can leave out the pepper. And make this your own seasoning. So now you see how the residual is left over. That's why I like to strain it and get rid of all the large pieces. And I have some jars that I like to use when I put my dry seasoning in. And you can put them in a mason jar if you have mason jars. But again, keep it in a cool area. And I have a few of these jars that my husband gave me. And I love to put the dry seasoning in there because the holes are like perfect. You don't over season your food. And basically, that's all it takes to make adobo seasoning. And I love making my own seasoning because I know exactly what's in it. There's a lot of seasoning ingredients that they add to your food, and you don't know what you're eating. They have large names that you can't even spell. So, you want to just basically know what's inside your food and be able to pronounce the ingredients, right? So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you how to make adobo. Well, guys, that's all it takes to make adobo. And I have videos on how to make Sazón completa. So if you want to know how to make those, I'll leave a link below in the comment section. I'll pin it in the comment section. And I'll also put it in the description so you'll be able to find it in both places. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.